Okay class, you may now begin your quiz. Good luck. Who just burped out loud? Someone better get explaining right now. Calliou, was it you?
No, Miss Martin. Why would you think it's me?
Calliou, don't play with me. Now tell me the truth, did you burp or not?
Okay, yes I did.
Why can't you just behave for one class? Why? Just why?
Oh, just calm down. It's not even that serious, you stupid ginger bitch.
What do you bums find funny about this, huh? Everyone shut the fuck up or I'm failing every last one of you motherfuckers.
Lol, someone is raging.
You know what? I've had enough of your bullshit. Get the fuck out my room and you'll be receiving a punishment after school, you bald twit. Now get the fuck out my room.
Oh my god, just shut the fuck up right motherfucking now. Here's how you sound, you dumb ginger cunt.
Oh. Calliou, you stupid bald prick, how dare you breath in my class thoughts it your. Okay, I've heard enough. Bitch, shut up, I'm not done. You know what, take this, you stupid dick. Security. 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 Someone help me, this crazy bald shit just his sharp pencil at my head. Help.
Fuck.
Oh, you're finally awake. Your dad is here but he too pissed to see you. He said you're grounded for 273 weeks and your principal called your father, she said you're suspended for 2 weeks. But you feel better soon.
Fuck.